Finally, episode 3 of SpongeBob and the Cough Cough. Hope you guys enjoy, and sorry for the bad quality. I don't know, actually. George, what's taking them so long?
That was a great piss. Alright, Goofy, what are you doing?
I'm just looking at your phone. That's all. Also, Mickey, I need to ask you something.
Yeah, what is it?
Well, where did everybody go?
I sent them to a place in Disneyland.
What is it?
It's Hotel Vista.
Hotel Vista?
Yeah, the most secretest place in Disneyland.
Wow. Wait, does that mean that we have the whole house on ourselves? Of ourselves? Yo, gosh, this is the great day of my life.
We have a whole house of our...
Breaking news. The cough virus have got bigger. Just look at that. There's now a version 2 of the cough virus and cough 0. It's like the cough, but it's less powerful, and it's only in food places. Well, it only affects food. So yeah, any of your loved ones, kick them out. Okay. This version 2 of the cough is way powerful, and it is so powerful that you're gonna die. So yeah, see you later, and stay safe.
Goofy, I have to kick you out.
I'm like me.
Yahoo! Well, I have a whole house on myself now.
Ooh.
I better use my phone for something. I'm all alone, and I'm gonna use my phone. It's now alone time for me.
Oh God. I'm in the house. I can finally go and finish my project. Alright. Well, looks like nothing is going on here. Looks like I'm all alone. Oh! Wait, there's Mickey. I wonder why. I'm gonna hear what he say.
Alright, corn hub. Now, let's see what we have here. Let's see. There's HD corn. I love that. I'm gonna like HD. Alright. Alright, corn hub. Here we go.
What? It doesn't matter anyways. I better turn on the lights. Hopefully he doesn't hear me. Alright. Let's see. Okay. We'll just clean up the thing and get this on here. Okay. Beep boop bop, beep 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 bop. Okay, my machine is alive. He is alive. Okay.
You are my lovely backpack.
Yes, my child. Now, go kill the mouse. Kill him. He's in the living room, so you can go there.
Hurry.
Did he went to the bathroom? Never mind. Wait, I need to get out of here. All right.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
What?
I remember States.
Who are you? What are you doing here? Where are you watching me doing? Where are you watching me? You disgusting freak! What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
I'm gonna poke you out because you're very lost. Alright, voting time.
Wait a minute. You're Plankton's robot. I knew it. You sturdy and
said?
It's nothing but that. It's not my more night.
This is my Ultra Gun 2000. Huh? That's where you get. Oh no, my core knob. Oh well. Okay, as far as you born. That was weird and intense. Oh well. Hey, this isn't that bad. I don't feel nothing bad about it. Oh God, I just burped. Anyways, this isn't bad.
5 hours later.
Give me your water. Give me your goddamn water. Give me your water, you son of a bitch. I've been paralyzed for 20 months. Wait, it feels like 5 months. I can't take it anymore.
I have to commit suicide.
Who's there? Who is it? Goofy?
Oh, Mickey, I'm kind of worried about you, man. You look depressed.
Look, man, being alone in this house for 5 months.
It's actually 5 weeks. Wait, no, 5 hours.
Wait, what? 5 hours? It's only been 5 hours. Oh, dear God, I'm being insane.
Oh, gosh, Mickey. Don't worry, we could be insane together, Mickey.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Let's be. All right. Hey, you wanna watch some TV?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
After Goofy and Mickey watch TV, Mickey decided to kick Goofy to his bed. Huh? Where's Goofy? Wait a minute. Oh,